Hey you, I'm so glad you're here today. I'm Jenny Prochko from Owls and Indigo, and I make videos about journaling, goal setting, and spirituality. Today we'll be talking about vigilance and mindfulness. This writing prompt is inspired by the Page of Swords tarot card from the Rider-Waite tarot deck, which you can find linked down below. In this card, you can see a figure leaning against the wind. This card evokes being ready, dynamic energy, positive change, forward movement, conquest, and towering. The figure's body and sword lean in one direction as he looks the other way to see what else is happening around him. Above everything else, this card represents being vigilant and mindful in any situation. Remember that speed and efficiency isn't always a bad thing. As our lives pick up and move faster, we can get caught up in moving from one thing to the next, missing vital clues along the way that something might be off. There's no need to slow your pace if all is going well. However, it is crucial to make a conscious choice to remain vigilant and sharpen our skills in moments like this. The key is to be vigilant in fast-paced moments and stretches of time. Make sure you look in all directions to see what is happening around you, to others, to your community, to animals, to the ecosystem, and to yourself. Harness this dynamic energy and positive change of forward movement with mindful vigilance. What have you missed lately due to a lack of mindful vigilance? What are 3 actionable steps you can implement this week to be more vigilant and practice mindfulness in these moments? Now let's get into my journal for my private entry to the exact same question for this month. Recently, I missed some crucial clues that I was about to have a panic attack. In the fast-paced world of running 2 businesses, I've developed coping skills for my anxiety and depression that normally serve me really well. But this day, I missed the clues, and that rendered my coping skills useless in the moment of panic. I had to ride out the panic attack without the help of my coping skills or anyone else. The 3 things that I'm implementing this week to make it better are preventative and in-the-moment coping tools of a tapping technique that I learned in therapy, a hairband for wrapping around my finger in times of anxiety and stress, and a mantra that I have posted up next to my desk. So what's your answer to this month's prompt? You can leave it in the comments down below or hit reply to the email that brought you here. If you like thought-provoking journaling prompts and tarot, check out my 2 guided journals. A Year of Spiritual Growth and Mindful Goal Setting, 365 Mindfulness Journal Prompts. It includes 365 daily prompts, morning and evening reflections, quarterly reviews, a mid-year check-in, an end-of-the-year review, and a simple visualization to help you see what your goals will look like once you've accomplished them, and the Daily Tarot Journal, uncovering the art of the 1-card tarot reading. It includes 3 monthly overview spreads, 3 monthly tarot logs, daily journal pages with 8 writing prompts, and 3 end-of-the-month reviews. Order your copies of both journals today. The link is in the description. Make sure to like, subscribe, ring the bell, and share this video to grow the Owls and Indigo tribe. I'm so grateful that you chose to spend your time here with me today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!